that's a 468 stroker with a mild cam. I really got to go to work on it.
Oh, it's got the blue interior.
Yeah, the original blue.
That's pretty.
And it is what it is. Me and a buddy, old buddy of mine, really did all the work. But I bought an aftermarket fender. We had it painted all in pieces, and then came in and put it back together. And that aftermarket fender's a 1/4 inch too long and shit up. But
Yeah.
hey, it is what it is, man. It's still it's not a show car, but it's a pretty good looking car.
Right. That's all I'm hoping for mine, really.
Well, you can get so much money in these. I got too much in this one to get rid of it.
Oh yeah. You need 100,000, right?
Oh no, but I got 40 in it.
Yeah.
You know, and that's buying it.
Well, they sell for that or more.
There again. Now,
It's yeah.
Many people.
Uh-oh. Watch out, watch out. Nice. Yeah. Got the hideaways. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Right.
I checked it Sunday, and it's a little off color, but this is from all the cam blues and shit.
Probably, yeah. She's beautiful.
Well, I appreciate that.
I love the blue and the white.
Well, it's kind of a weird color, and it was my buddy looked it up, and it was kind of a, I don't know, a special order, but generally they were black.
Yeah.
And I said, well, we'll put the interior in it, but then it replaces the other thing.
Yeah. I just bought an entire interior kit for mine. Gold. The dash is beautiful, so I don't have to replace it.
Everybody died. It came black.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interior over the whole place. And don't pray, and never saw paint.
Yeah. Yeah.
It
It looks good. It looks good. You can't buy a blue one, so. I love it.
I got vacuum issues. And like I say, I got vacuum issues. We've been fucking with the lights, and we put a vacuum secondary. Just thought it would be a little more straightable instead of a manual secondary.
Yeah.
And you're not getting any 4 barrels in the linkage, you know. You kind of got to find your gears, but. That old motor sounds pretty fucking heavy. It
sounds great. It really does. And it's a real 242 car, 3.7.
242, what is that?
Yeah, GTO.
Oh, is that what it, well, you know,
Yeah.
I was thinking of the 442s, which were 4 barrels, 4-speed, dual exhaust.
Right.
And that's how they came. And then they came out with a 442 with the automatic too.
No tack. You didn't want the tack?
It didn't have a tack.
It didn't have it?
That's the original hood.
Okay.
Now, we had to find this nose piece. I had mine, and it just was warped, man.
Right.
But this fender right here is the one that's aftermarket. Somebody had backed into it.
Uh-huh.
And, you know, mean, I could take it down and get it shaped, and I don't know if I will, but I'm not doing it now, you know.
Yeah, you're not worried about showing it and looking for a 100-point car, then I wouldn't worry about it.
Somebody saying, hey, that's a cool car.
I love it. Oh, I'm a Pontiac guy, so.
And I did it back original, and I've seen some done with custom wheels and different things, and
Yeah.
I just thought in my time in life, you got to hit that right, or it can look cheesy, or it can look badass.
Right. I love the original rally rims. The 68 I have has rallies, but the 69 I got on Kragers right now, brand new set.
You know, they make some. See, I mean, those cost a lot of money too. I don't remember $300 or $400.
Let's check out you said you had a Roadster?
Somebody spend $3,000 or $4,000 and get some of the chrome put back on it and stuff, but I don't know.
Well, look at them Mickey Mouse ears.
What do you call them, Mickey Mouse?
The tires, the way they stick out, Mickey Mouse ears.
Okay, I got it might start. You may have to help me a little bit.
Okay. Uh-oh, watch out. No choke? Yeah. Mickey Thompson, Mickey Mouse ears. He says for sale, guys. He's asking $21,500. I think it's pretty badass.
I got a nice fuel book on it.
Yeah.
Actually got the model I use is actually off the 1923 Ford pickup truck. That's how this is titled.
Okay.
That's the only original thing, part of this frame right here.
In the frame, okay. No doors, like you said, no doors.
The really cool thing is, when you being a painter, what's really cool about the paint job is that hand pinstripe.
The hand pinstripe. Yeah, I do pinstripe. I don't do a lot of airbrush, but I do pinstripe. Hand.
Bullshit.
I do wrap pink artwork, cartooning, all kinds of stuff by hand.
I just think, you know, I've had buddies that were in the car making back in the 70s and 80s.
Yeah.
And, you know, they could lay on a bunch of painted stripes. I think they're cool.
Yeah.
But there's something about somebody can lay that motherfucker right there. That's just a pretty fucking steady hand. That is hand.
Yeah, that's straight hand. Yeah, you got to be able to draw a straight line. I've been practicing since my 20s. I'm 40.
But see, it needs to be chrome work. I'm not saying everything needs to work. And I don't know what you're going to do about stress cracks on something that the motherfucker shakes.
Yeah.
And then people ask me, how fast is that car? Now, it had 10 barrels of nitrous.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I bought it from the guy that had it built. Old contract weighed about 300 pounds. I brought it home and I said, I ain't gonna hang on to this nitrous bottle while I practice this on jobs because I mean, you gotta drive it too.
Right, yeah.
And everybody says once you put a different wheel in it, I think it's cool. Okay, it don't matter if you put a different wheel in it, the motherfucker's gonna beat you to fucking
Yeah,
death.
it's going to beat you to death regardless.
But if we had that, we had to just took that tunnel ram off, or maybe if we had a 4-speed Camaro or Chevy 2, we put that little motor in it, but I think we just put a regular high-rise on it.
Yeah.
You could have a fucking hoot. It's got real high compression, you know.
I love it.
It got, the only thing I've done to it is taken, you can see where the plenum is not polished.
Yeah.
I took the 2 4-barrels off. I'm not good enough to keep them tuned. It was fouling plugs because you can't run a tunnel ram's a high RPM motor. You can't run this card high RPM.
Yeah.
Now, it is kind of fun to be kind of rough. It's got a power glide to roll down about 20 miles an hour and throw that son bitch into low gear and hit it. Just when you feel it about jump like that, if you'll come out of it, you'll still be going straight. Don't stay in it.
You'll be going sideways.
It's not real good.
Yeah.
If you have a wreck.
I bet not.
But you don't have to have seat belts because it's a 23 Ford pickup.
Okay.
And they didn't have seat belts in 23. If you put a kit car together, I think you gotta have it.
You gotta have it, yeah. That's
So
a real.
that's kind of cool.
Yeah. Yeah. That's cool.
It's a rocker.
Nice. Badass. Anybody want it? Let me know.